Hi guys. Thank you for checking in again on another Tuesday to-do list. For today, we are taking care of the dirty work. So part of trying to live and care for your home in a more sustainable way is, or at least something that I do, is instead of relying on the most traditional big brand products like Clorox and Lysol, and even the fun ones like scrubbing bubbles and Kaboom, things like that. I try to just rely on something simple, homemade if I can, or if I have to buy something that comes from one of the more sustainable brands like seventh generation, Method, Myers, things like that. So just before, I'm not going to be talking too much during the cleaning. It'll probably just be some nice chill beats and some fast forward time lapse for you guys, but I'll just give you a little intro before we get started. Another one of the things that I like to focus on when it comes to trying to live a lifestyle that's maybe a little bit more sustainable, a little bit more environmentally conscious, is a mantra of taking care of the things that take care of you, or also cleaning the things that clean your things. So part of the dirty work that I try to tackle on a semi-regular, monthly, bi-monthly basis, at least a good handful of times every year. I like to make sure to clean my washing machine really well. It's a huge investment and our family uses it on a pretty much daily basis. The stainless steel in the kitchen, it's always olive oil, coconut oil, animal fats, everything that you cook with just spatters all over the front of the microwave when you're cooking. My D-Bot, or my Shark Roomba, I don't even know what brand it is, to be honest, but my robot vacuum, it needs some TLC. It needs to be cleaned, even though its job is cleaning. And then of course, where I get clean, so my shower, tub, and bathroom. So you guys know the drill. You all have to do your own chores too. And I hope that by watching this video, it might give you a little bit of that push. If you're feeling this sucks and I don't want to tackle this chore, then at least we can do it together and you won't have to be in it alone. And then furthermore, secondarily, if I could inspire even just one person to maybe make a switch away from a toxic chemical that burns your eyes and nose while you're using it, then that would make me happy on a personal level. So before we just jump in, because I'm not going to be talking a lot during the cleaning itself, you'll see me using this bottle, so I just want to tell you what's inside. It is the classic traditional homemade cleaner that everybody uses, except my twist. I have two twists. It's the vinegar Dawn dish soap cleaner. So you pretty much fill it halfway with vinegar, and then you fill it almost halfway again with the soap. But I instead of using Dawn, I like to use the Method grapefruit soap, which smells a lot better. It's pink, so that's nice. And then also, as I expressed before, it's a B certified company, so I know that I'm spending my money somewhere that is at least trying to make a better environmental impact. And then I also add some rubbing alcohol. This is I know vinegar it kills germs and it's a disinfectant, but for extra peace of mind, I like to do the rubbing alcohol. Of course, I don't know anything scientifically, if it's more effective or what. I just know that it's safe to use and it gives me the peace of mind. And I don't use it in every single product that I clean, but if it's something where I know a lot of ickiness takes place, then I'll just put a little bit of this in there as well. But for the most part, it's just the dish soap, vinegar, and water. So that's what's in the bottle. And I guess we'll just get into it. See you guys out there. looking for perfection, but this looks pretty darn good. Okay. Thank you guys all for taking this time to hang out with me while I do my dirty work. I truly hope that knowing that there's other people out there who are going through the grimy, gunky business of life will help you, feel like, yes, it's a chore that sucks, but you have the ability and the motivation to just tackle it and keep your fingers crossed that it will stay clean for at least a couple of weeks. You don't have to be perfect as long as you're doing what you can. And then also secondarily, if it could inspire anybody out there to maybe grab a hold of a cleaner from a B certified corporation, or even take that step and mix it up yourself. If you've ever been curious, just give it a shot. And you can have the satisfaction of not only saying like, yes, I got my to-do list done, I checked off my chores, but also I did it in a way that is more environmentally considerate and also personally empowering. Because if you can DIY your own soap, who knows what else you can do. Anyways, I'll let you guys get on with your day. Thanks for hanging out. Give this video a like, subscribe to this channel if you would like to. I do, chores, errands like I did today, but a lot of my other content is connected to cooking and my favorite hobbies, which are indoor and outdoor gardening. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.